going to cut my hair today because as you can see in here, it is now showing the baldness, and it's not good. Oh, one day I am going to a barber shop or a salon and we'll have a luxury haircut. Yeah. It is now 12:34 and yeah, I just finished cutting my hair, already took the shower. I am now hungry. I also did my laundry, as you can see outside. Yeah, but still I didn't clean my the room, the apartment. You see all this mess. Yeah, all these are since I arrived coming from the Jervis Bay. Yeah, I'm going to organize it later when I get back. We are going outside to buy something for the camera. The temperature at the moment is around 20 degrees, maybe 25 or not more than 30. It's just right, and the wind breeze is good. Oh, we are now here. Oh, if you remember, last time we come here to play basketball. Yeah, with Inigo, Rafael, and Erickson. My plan is to go first to the dollar store to buy that kind of toy for this camera, and then walk around a little bit, and then we go to KFC to buy a chicken. But I don't know, maybe I don't know. Oh, look at the construction of that building. It's almost a skeleton already, more than a skeleton already. Just needed the roofings and wall and varnishing. Oh, we are here again in Salamander Bay Shopping Center, and I will show you how to claim the refund if you put here your plastic, or if plastic normally. This is how it is. So basically you put inside your carton plastic cans and then scan the barcode, something like that. There is the explanation here on how you can refund it. Yeah, that is how it is. Okay, we go. Like what I've said, one bottle, one can is 10 cents. Okay, we're going to leave the bike there. There is one very nice looking big car. We go inside. We are now here in Aldi. I don't know what I'm going to buy, but I'm going to take one of these. Yeah, this is just $3.49 with 5 pieces packed inside. Oh, we are also going to take one of these. This is just $3.29. Yeah, you know, I really appreciate the processed food, because they are really very well done. I am tempted to go to Kmart, but I have nothing to buy. I don't think there's something new. Okay, we go. We are now here in the dollar store. This is the main reason why I come here, to buy this kind of dead cat for my camera. Should be something like this, but bigger than this, of course. Like this one will do. Oh no, yeah, not that one, but similar to this. Okay, so this is actually the one. I'm going to take it. Yeah, that's it for today here. We are now going to the KFC to buy chicken. We sit somewhere and we go home. Oh, you know, a while ago, there is heaps of trolley in here, and then I was going out. The trolley was rolling by itself to that side, and on that side there is a trolley of a lady with, you know, the baby trolley. Yeah, so I tried to catch the trolley, and I hold it on the end, but the rest are it's separate, and the rest goes to the baby trolley. Yeah, good thing the mom is also aware of the trolley, so everything was safe. It is now hot, but you know, I'm wearing this because this is also a protection for my skin. Okay, we are now here in KFC. We're just going to buy chicken. So as you can see, yeah, dine-in is not allowed, only takeaway is allowed. Oh, we're going to stay here for a little bit. Oh, this is where we are going to eat this chicken. We find a nice space here, maybe in here or maybe on that side. No, not good. Chicken original tenders, comes with the aioli, mashed potato with gravy, chicken fingers, something like this, chicken balls, chicken tenders, and french fries. And it is very quiet in here. There's some sound of the cars that are passing through, but overall it's quiet. There are people in the water. There's some group of people sitting down on the grass, picnic, and it's low tide at the moment. You see the water is really far. Yo, that's it for today here. We are going out. Oh, we are here in one of the most relaxing place here in Corlet area. Yeah, you see, water is very far, and there are many trees that are like this. Basically a residential area, and in front of that is the main road. There are some people from time to time that is passing here. They are looks like tourists exploring the place. Yeah, that's it. We are going now.